In this video, we listed the 5 best ANYCUBIC 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4. The Photon Mono 4 is a cutting-edge 3D printer that offers a remarkable 10K high resolution of 9024 by 5120, resulting in a 105% increase in print precision compared to its predecessor, Mono 2. Each pixel measures just 17 by 17 micrometers, enabling the creation of models with exceptional detail and dynamic richness. Its powerful ANYCUBIC Light Turbo Matrix light source technology ensures stable and uniform lighting, which minimizes layer lines and enhances surface smoothness for maximum print detail. The printer features a generous build volume of 6.0 foot x 3.42 x 6.49, providing ample space for various projects. Additionally, the Wash and Cure 3 system has a 42% larger cleaning basket capacity compared to the previous model, accommodating 3D printers with a size of 7.3 inches or less, and boasts a 4L cleaning bucket for larger models. The innovative FlexiKey gooseneck light design further enhances curing efficiency, increasing energy value by 30,000 UW cm squared within a 1 to 3 cm range, making it particularly effective for intricate areas of models. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro is a high-performance resin 3D printer designed for efficiency and precision, featuring impressive printing speeds of up to 170 mm per hour with high-speed resin and 130 mm per hour with standard resin at a layer thickness of just 0.1 mm. It boasts a high-resolution 14K monochrome LCD screen with 13312*5120 resolution and an XY resolution of 16.8 by 24.8 micrometers, allowing for intricate details and the ability to print holes as small as 0.3 mm in diameter. The printer is equipped with the advanced COB Light Turbo 3.0 system, which enhances light uniformity and ensures successful exposure of each layer, thereby increasing the printing success rate. Additionally, the ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure 3 Plus offers enhanced compatibility with larger washing sizes and increased washing volume, accommodating various LCD 3D printers. Its dual-layer curing platform further optimizes curing efficiency, making the Photon Mono M7 Pro a versatile choice for high-quality 3D printing tasks. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X2. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X2 is a state-of-the-art resin 3D printer designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-quality prints. It features a large 9.1 foot, 4K plus mono LCD screen with a resolution of 4096 by 2560 pixels, offering superior detail with a single pixel size of just 48 micrometers, which is an enhancement over its predecessor, the Photon Mono X. The printer employs an upgraded ANYCUBIC Light Turbo Matrix light source to ensure uniform UV light exposure, thereby improving model quality. Its stable printing structure is built with dual linear guides on the Z-axis, minimizing the risk of layer shifting and enhancing overall print accuracy while producing smoother surface finishes. The Photon Mono X2 is compatible with various slicing software like Photon Workshop, Chichubox, and Lychee, although it does not support ANYCUBIC Cloud service. Additionally, the laser-engraved platform features a textured checkerboard pattern for better adhesion and successful print outcomes, while an anti-scratch film protects the LCD screen from resin damage, contributing to its durability and reliability. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M5S Pro. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M5S Pro is a cutting-edge resin 3D printer that boasts an ultra-high resolution of 14K, featuring a 10.1-inch mono LCD display with an impressive 13312*5120 resolution and XY precision of 16.8 by 24.8 micrometers, equivalent to the thickness of a single hair. Designed for a comfortable printing experience, it incorporates a preheating function to maintain resin temperatures above 20 degrees Celsius, allowing successful prints even in cooler conditions. The printer also has a robust built-in activated carbon odor absorption system, enhancing the overall environment during use. With an impressive average printing speed of 105 mm per hour, the M5S Pro utilizes third-generation ACF film technology to optimize print success rates while minimizing peeling height for improved lifting speed. Notably, its innovative leveling-free technology, which employs a floating platform and internal sensors, ensures uniform print quality without manual adjustments. Additionally, the ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure 3 Plus complements the printer with an upgraded washing basket size and increased volume, making it compatible with a range of LCD 3D printers, including other models in the Photon Mono and Satin series. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer is a high-performance machine designed for both novices and experienced users, featuring a sleek aluminum build in black with dimensions of 15-inch dx20 wx20h and a lightweight design at 18 ounces. It boasts impressive printing capabilities, achieving speeds of up to 250 mm per second, more than 65% faster than traditional models, while a recommended speed of 150 mm per second balances speed with precision. The upgraded integrated extruder and cooling system efficiently melt filaments using a 60W hot end and a powerful 7000 RPM cooling fan, ensuring quick cooling and molding. Enhanced print quality is achieved through advanced Marlin firmware features like linear propulsion and input shaping, which minimize spillage and resonance for smoother details. The LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system simplifies setup by intelligently compensating for Z-axis offsets, making it user-friendly for beginners. Additionally, ANYCUBIC provides excellent customer support, including a 1-year warranty, with specific coverage for the print head and heated bed, along with 24/7 technical assistance.